What's up guys, I'm NinjjaDog and welcome to this trance-based sound design tutorial. So let's go to the browser here, find the plugin folder, drag Serum onto a MIDI channel, and let's double click into a clip and start drawing in some information. Now if you right click on the screen here and change it to 1/16 and draw in every note apart from the first beat of the bar, that'll give you a standard trance rolling bass. There are lots of patterns we could use, but this is the most common one. And the reason we don't fill in the first beat of every bar is because that's where the kick will sit in the mix. Right, so first things first, let's initialize this preset to give us a blank canvas to work on. What I want to do now is go to the saw wave here and click into the editor. I want to right click on the bins and phases and press generate saw. Next press process and flip vertical, then back into process and flip horizontal. So now we've got a different type of saw wave, but it's still a saw wave in essence. Then let's exit out of this editor, turn the random all the way down and the phase all the way to the right for now. On the amp envelope we want to set the attack, and I like to press the padlock to zoom in and push the attack up while I make this curve really aggressive like this. Then let's put the attack back to how it was before at 0.9 milliseconds and we'll get lots of snap on the bass. Set the decay to around 100 milliseconds and reduce the sustain by about 1 dB. Then pull this sustain bar down in the middle where this blue dot is. Let's do the same attack settings on envelope 2 now. Now let's turn on the filter and set it to MG low 18. Turn the cutoff and the resonance all the way down to the bottom, and let's add envelope 2 to the cutoff. Now let's adjust the ADSR on the envelope 2 by putting the decay to around 260 milliseconds and the sustain all the way down. Just in case you're not sure what ADSR means, it's attack, decay, sustain, release. Now we need to pull this curve down again where this blue dot is on the decay and then raise the sustain to around 60%. You can now hear it starting to take shape. Bring the level down to around 12 o'clock and drag the velocity modulator onto it. Now in the effects section, let's turn on the filter and move the cutoff to the right. I want to achieve emphasis on the high mids for some snap by removing some of the higher frequencies. Back to the release on envelope 1 and change the release to around 20 milliseconds. What I like to do now is play around with these decay bars and the attack settings to try and get a more snappy bass. Thanks for tuning in. Now you should have a nice sounding trance bass for your productions. If you found this helpful at all, then please consider subscribing, sharing, liking. I've been NinjjaDog. See you next time.